everybody, welcome back, and today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete eBay account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. If you have already done so, we're so thankful to you, and we will simply now step into our video. If you haven't, please do so right away. And now for this case, if you would like to delete your eBay account, what you can do, let's go ahead, first open our eBay app in your mobile. So once our app is open, we are already logged in. It will open this kind of interface with the options. So what you gotta do is simply go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top left, and then scroll down, tap on this help option instead of settings, and go to this search box and type in closing your account. Go ahead, tap on that search option, and now scroll down, and then you will tap on this close account option in the blue, and this is the interface gonna look like. After that, go ahead, tap on this drop down menu icon over here, this arrow, and choose a reason. If you have a particular reason that you would like to delete your account for, if you do not, simply I'll just choose a personal reasons so we don't have to explain. And then I'm going to tap on this other option, and then I would check this, I want to close my eBay account. So if I tap on this submit option, we have received your request. Within 24 hours, we will send an update on the status of your request to your registered email address as well as your eBay messages. Please review this. May need you to provide additional information or take certain actions in order to close your account. So if you have a certain reason given, they might be trying to resolve that, give you some explanations, or maybe ask for your informations. So this is it. This is how you can simply send a request and close your account, aka delete your account in eBay. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.